Google just supercharged Gmail with Gemini AI, making sure your email replies smarter and faster than ever. Say goodbye to digging through Google Drive for info. Stick around to see how this game-changing update works. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech breakthroughs. If you're ready to level up your email game, hit that like button and subscribe to GadInsider for more tech updates. Let's dive into what Gemini AI brings to Gmail. At Google I/O 2025, Google unveiled a massive upgrade to Gmail's Smart Reply feature powered by their latest Gemini AI. Forget those basic, sounds good, or sure replies. Now, Gemini pulls data from your Google Drive and email threads to craft precise, personalized responses. Imagine replying to a work email with all the right details without hunting through documents. Gemini does the heavy lifting for you. According to Google Workspace VP Blake Barnes, Gemini proactively searches your files and emails to suggest replies that nail the context. Need to reference a project doc or meeting note? Gemini's got you covered, saving you time and clicks. This update is all about making your inbox smarter and your workflows smoother, whether you're on web, Android, or iOS. Here's the deal. These next-level smart replies roll out in English starting July 2025 as an alpha test in Google Labs. You'll need a paid Google Workspace or Google One AI Premium plan to access them. It's perfect for professionals and anyone who wants to breeze through emails like a pro. Gemini AI is making Gmail a productivity powerhouse, and 2025 is just the start. What do you think? Will you try these smarter replies? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's talk tech. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell to stay locked in with GadInsider for more updates.